The universe is a vast expanse, a grand tapestry woven with the threads of galaxies, stars, and the mysterious forces that govern them. For centuries we have gazed up at the night sky, marveling at its beauty and pondering our place within this cosmic wonder. But as we delve deeper into the mysteries of the universe, we uncover a chilling truth that lies beneath its stunning surface. A truth that may one day lead to the ultimate end of everything we know. The universe is not static, it is ever expanding, and this expansion may be the most terrifying story ever told. Let's rewind the clock to 13.8 billion years ago, a moment that marked the birth of everything we understand today. Picture it, the Big Bang, an explosion of unimaginable proportions, where space, time, and matter erupted into existence. But this wasn't a serene creation. It was chaos unleashed. In the aftermath, galaxies began to form, swirling and drifting apart in a relentless dance, propelled by an unseen force. At first, scientists believed that gravity would reign supreme, slowing down this expansion, pulling everything back together. But as we turned our telescopes towards the cosmos, we were met with an unsettling revelation. The expansion of the universe is not only ongoing, it's accelerating. What could possibly drive such a phenomenon? Enter dark energy, the enigmatic force that constitutes about 68% of the universe. It's a term that sends shivers down the spine of even the most seasoned astronomers. Dark energy acts like an anti-gravity force, pushing galaxies apart at an ever-increasing rate. But here's the kicker. We know almost nothing about it. What is dark energy? Is it a property of space itself, a new kind of field, or something far more bizarre? It's a question that haunts scientists as they grapple with the implications of this invisible hand that seems to dictate the fate of the cosmos. Imagine a future where this expansion continues unchecked. Fast forward billions of years, and the universe transforms into a cold, dark, and lonely place. Galaxies that were once neighbors will drift so far apart that their light will never reach one another again. The night sky, once a canvas filled with countless stars, will fade to black. It's a haunting image, isn't it? Stars will burn out, one by one, their light extinguished. Planets will freeze, becoming lifeless rocks adrift in the void. Even black holes, the ultimate survivors, will eventually evaporate, leaving behind nothing but a cold, lifeless expanse. This fate is known as the heat death of the universe, a term that sounds like something out of a science fiction novel, but is very much grounded in reality. Yet, there's an even more terrifying scenario lurking in the shadows, the Big Rip. If dark energy continues to grow stronger, it could tear apart everything in its path, down to the very atoms that make up our world. Picture this: galaxies shredded, stars ripped apart, the fabric of space itself unraveling. In this catastrophic scenario, the universe doesn't simply fade away, it violently disintegrates. Is this how it all ends? An unstoppable force pulling the universe apart, leaving chaos in its wake. It's a thought that can send chills down your spine. But let's take a step back and reflect on what all this means for us, here and now. For the moment, Earth is safe. The expansion of the universe occurs on such a grand scale that it doesn't directly affect our daily lives. Yet, the knowledge of its inevitability brings with it a humbling realization. We are small players in a vast cosmic drama, living in a universe that is constantly changing, perhaps toward an end we can barely comprehend. It's a reminder of how fragile and fleeting our existence is. As we navigate our lives, it's easy to become consumed by the everyday hustle and bustle, to lose sight of the grander scheme of things. But when we take a moment to look up at the stars, we are reminded of our place in this universe. We are part of something extraordinary, something that transcends our individual lives. It's a beautiful yet sobering thought. Despite the darkness that looms over this narrative, there's also something profoundly inspiring about knowing the truth. The universe is a place of wonder and mystery, constantly evolving, constantly surprising us. While its future may seem terrifying, it also serves as a reminder of how precious the present is. Here and now, under the infinite horizons of the night sky, we have the opportunity to experience life in all its complexity and beauty. So, as we ponder these cosmic mysteries, let's not forget to appreciate the moments we have. Each day is a gift, a chance to connect with one another and with the universe that surrounds us. If you found this journey through the cosmos as fascinating and thought-provoking as I did, I invite you to join me in exploring the depths of the universe. Together, let's uncover its secrets, one story at a time. The night sky is waiting, full of infinite horizons and endless possibilities.